Mommy, who that man ya?
Junior, it's me, your father.
Well, you must be one duppy, cause mommy said daddy dead.
Mavis, why you telling little boy say me dead?
Cause you're nothing but one whole jankro.
Listen here, Mavis, I did not come here for all of that. I came to tell you me and my wife would like to take Junior for a while.
So your wife can't get her own picnic.
Mavis, you know that Sharon cannot have any kids.
Well, I fear preke that. You know what? Take him along. Make she find out say picnic on a easy sitting in quick time. Junior, you come back already? Warm to you and Miss Sharon. Oh, I Miss Sharon she name. Me the call her Miss Baron. You do what? Hey! Mommy, how we sweet you? Nothing. Come go a shop and go buy yourself some sweetie.